The prostate is a gland about the size of a walnut that is located under the male bladder. This gland produces seminal fluid, which is necessary for the nutrition and transfer of sperm. Although prostatitis can affect men of any age, it is more common in men 50 years of age or older. In the following, we will get acquainted with the methods of natural prostate treatment. Be with us. The causes of this disease are still not completely clear. If prostatitis is caused by a bacterial infection, it can usually be treated with antibiotics. Depending on the cause, prostatitis can appear. Sometimes it subsides without treatment. Some types of prostatitis last for months or keep coming back. Chronic prostatitis. Symptoms of prostatitis include pain or burning during urination, frequent urination, especially at night, presence of blood in the urine, pain in the abdomen, groin or back, pain in the area between the scrotum and rectum, pain or discomfort in the penis or testicles, painful ejaculation, and signs and symptoms of the flu caused by bacterial prostatitis. As soon as any of these symptoms appear, you should see a doctor. Although the main cause of prostate cancer is the occurrence of mutation in the DNA of prostate cells, but the lack of control of prostate inflammation can also provide the basis for its occurrence. Probably, according to the mentioned explanations, these questions have formed in your mind. What should we eat to prevent prostate enlargement? What to eat to shrink the prostate? Your diet can greatly affect your prostate health. So by adding healthy foods to your diet, you may be able to reduce your risk of prostatitis complications, including prostate cancer. Foods useful to prevent the formation of prostate. Some fruits and vegetables, including tomatoes, contain a strong antioxidant called lycopene. Research has shown that a diet rich in lycopene may help reduce the risk of prostatitis and prostate cancer. Broccoli contains many complex compounds such as sulforaphane, which are effective in reducing prostate swelling for herbal treatment of prostate enlargement or the occurrence of cancer cells. You can add broccoli to stir fries, soups and salads, or eat it raw or steamed. Of course, you should not ignore the effect of other types of cabbage, such as cauliflower and kale. Pomegranate is a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants may help prevent chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress. Research by the U.S. National Cancer Institute has shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can help maintain prostate health. Foods that make you suffer from prostate. Research shows that reducing red meat consumption may help improve prostate health. In fact, daily consumption of red meat is believed to triple the risk of prostate enlargement. Alcohol can also stimulate urine production. Men with an enlarged prostate may find that their symptoms improve when they stop drinking alcohol. Be sure to follow the tips so that you don't get prostatitis. Don't forget to like and subscribe.